God, this is like 100th time I've done this little intro. Hopefully I can get it right this time. Okay, today we will be doing rims. Desert Night Black Prismatic powder, which is a wrinkle black. They look great, actually. Anyways, let's get back on track. So we have 90, oh wait, during this video we did not record blasting. I apologize for that. We just got too caught up with so many projects. We forgot to record this one. On another note, we're at 90 subscribers. If we can hit 100 subscribers by October 1st Bitcoin giveaway, we will do two $50 Bitcoin giveaways. The way we're going to break that down is the initial first $50 giveaway will just be everybody that's subscribed, and that has a link to their Bitcoin wallet. The other giveaway will be for everybody that did the extra added steps, going to Facebook, liking our Facebook page, liking a video on our Facebook page, sharing a video on our Facebook page. All those got you extra steps. We'll add those all up, put you in a pot for that how many ever times that you did extra entries. If you're not sure what we're talking about, down in the links there is a link to, or down in the description there's a link to the video. Check that out. Go in that description. That will explain all the ways to do extra entries. Okay, hopefully this is my last time I'm doing this freaking intro. Okay, enjoy the video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so
driver. Mama says that I never mind her. Got no brains, I'm insane. The teacher says that I'm one big brain. I'm like a laser, six-string razor. I got a mouth like an alligator. I want it louder, more power. I'm gonna rock it till it strikes the hour. Bang your
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just don't crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just don't be Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, f everybody, just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's